This is the power cord. On one end, there's a handle that I'll be holding, and on the other end is the lap belt. Taylor's going to put this on and snap it and tighten it up to where it's comfortable. There we go. Alright, hop on the mount. When we hold the power cord in front, it helps pull her off the mound, so it is assisting the pitcher. If we speed the legs up, the arms have to speed up and help us create more speed. When the power cord is from behind, we're now resisting the pitcher, making her drive off the mound harder with her legs. As the holder, I'm going to put my hand through the strap, securely holding it. I don't want it to pop back towards Taylor. I have a glove on for my own safety, and we also have Taylor throwing the Incrediball, the softer softball, in case the ball comes at me. I'm now going to back up towards the catcher, stand off the power line, and give her the assistance with the power cord. We don't want to be back so far that it pulls Taylor out of her normal form, though. Alright, so let's watch a couple demos. Now with the power cord from behind, the power cord is resisting the pitcher. So I've got it extended back, and it's not going to be so hard that it takes her out of her form once again. So she's going to drive hard with her legs off the mound. All right, Taylor. Ball. Very good. Another nice feature on the power cord is the snap link. Imagine snapping this onto the chain link fence, then the pitcher backs up and now does her workout into the fence with it assisting her, and then she could turn around, still snapped on the fence, put a target in front of her or a catcher, and it now resists her as she drives away from the fence.